So let's take a look at how one might set up a rappel. Generally, we're going to put the Autoblock on first and then the device. This is from an SPI course, single pitch instructor course, American Mountain Guides Association single pitch instructor course. There's some other cords in the way. I'll show what he does with that after the first part. But the first part's important. Watch how he puts on the device, and then we'll watch how he transitions for those of you who are going to take a single pitch instructor course at some point. Okay, what are you doing there?
So I'm transitioning from my instructor tether to rappel. So I'm setting up my rappel early. And rather than fighting the weight of this rope, I'm going to put my backup on first.
Awesome.
Like so. And then that holds the weight of the rope for me.
Perfect.
Now I can load my device up a lot easier. Make sure everything's nice and orientated. It looks like it's going to want to spin that way. So I'll put my strands down. And I'm going to check to make sure this guy can't interfere.
Good. Nice.
So,
Cool.
blocked. 3 lockers, backup locked, won't interfere.
Right.
And that's gonna grab.
Awesome. Okay. Here we go. Top to bottom managed transition. Pre-rigged up here, as noted. System loaded. Autoblock holding. Remove the gree-gree. It's going to take out his cap knot, tapestry knot. And then he's off.